It does turn easy. All right, guys, Richard here. So I got my buddy Ron. We just put the Meet One tour together, and we're out here testing it. I tell you what, I like it. Oh my goodness, goodness gracious. Ron's down there saying it doesn't even lean. Did you see how well he took that turn? He took that turn. Turn for us again, Ron. Turn for us again. Watch him when he takes this turn. It just turns just like a car.
I know it.
Wow, that is all. What do you think?
I love it.
I love it too.
I do too. It's the best trike I've
By far, this is the best trike we've ridden.
I'll do one more.
That, guys, this here is an amazing trike. Yeah, and this is the most expensive trike we've had on the channel too. So you would expect doesn't lean, doesn't act like it even trying to come off the ground. Yeah. You know, you pay for quality, and so sometimes you gotta pay a little more to get. Look at that. Nice.
This is nice.
Super nice. Super nice. Hey, let's bust out another trike and go for a ride together.
Okay.
You want to? We're gonna go for a ride, guys.
I can ride my bike.